Very good morning, children. Children, today we will discuss some examples to know the direction of magnetic force. So let us take first example and apply any laws, either Fleming left hand rule or screw rule or what else? Tell me. Yes, right hand on. So let us take first example. Suppose this is the direction of uniform magnetic field. You know about this symbol. This cross will show the direction of magnetic field will be inside. This cross shows the direction of magnetic field is inside. And what about this symbol? What about this symbol? This symbol shows the direction of magnetic field is outward. Are you getting my point? Very good. See, how can you memorize? This is inside, this is outside. See, remember a screwdriver and look at this tip of, at this, you may say top of this screwdriver. This top is just like cross, a little bit wider compared to this tip. So when we rotate this screwdriver like this, then what will happen? Screw will go inside. That is why this cross shows the direction of magnetic field inside, or you may say inward. What about this? Rotate this screwdriver like this. So what will happen? It will be outside. That is why this symbol is used for showing the magnetic field outward. This is inward and this is outward. Okay. Suppose there is a charge Q here and going with a velocity V in this direction. So will it experience a kind of magnetic force? Answer will be yes. Why? Because it is a uniform magnetic field. The charge is moving. It is not at rest. Therefore, this charge experiences a kind of force. Suppose this is a positive charge. Okay. So what will happen? Let us apply the Fleming's left hand rule. Stretch all these three fingers in such a way that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. So, you know this is forefinger, and according to Fleming's left hand rule, forefinger gives the direction of B, middle finger B, and this will be F. So, let us point out as per this question. So, this is B, and here in this question B is inside. So, kindly rotate this forefinger in such a way that it will be inside, like this. There, and this will be the direction of velocity of moving charge. Yes, it is correct. And this will give the direction of magnetic force. And thumb will point out where in upward direction. So this will be you may write here, make here. This will be the direction of magnetic force. This is said to be upward direction. Any problem? Well done. Suppose here also a uniform magnetic field and a charge Q, positive charge you may say, is moving in this direction. Now let us find out the direction of magnetic force experienced by this point charge. Again you have to apply the Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, so what will happen? In this case, the magnetic field is outside. So this is B. So let us point out it is outside. This is outside. What this middle finger gives? This gives the direction of velocity. So this is, yes, direction of velocity is this. So this thumb will give the direction of magnetic force. So here in this case, magnetic force is, yes, again in upward direction. Clear? Very good. Okay. Let us see third case. If suppose this is the direction of B, uniform magnetic field. If this is the direction of B, and suppose a charge Q, it is a minus Q charge moving in this direction. So since this minus Q is moving in this direction, it is in the magnetic field. So definitely it experiences a kind of force. What will be the direction of force? Press the calculator. Again apply Fleming's left hand rule. See, what is the direction of magnetic field? It is downward. So let us point out it is downward. This is B, downward. What is the direction of velocity of moving charge? It is like this. So this is downward. This is in the direction of V. Very good. Force is here inside. This thumb is pointing inside. So the force will be inside. But no, it is not correct. Since it is a negative charge, and we always apply this Fleming's left hand rule for the motion of positive moving charge. So the direction of in this case the direction of magnetic force will be just इसका ऑपोजिट कर दीजिए. इस केस में मैग्नेटिक फोर्स किधर आ रहा है? अंदर आ रहा है. जब हम इसको निगेटिव चार्ज कंसीडर कर रहे हैं तो फ्लेमिंग के लेफ्ट हैंड रूल से जो मैग्नेटिक फोर्स का डायरेक्शन है वो इनसाइड आ रहा है. तो होगा क्या इसमें? इनसाइड ही आ रहा है. एक बार फिर से चेक कर लेते हैं. दिस इज V, this is Vs, inside. But it is a negative charge. So inside का just opposite outside. So outside या R you may write outward. So this is the direction of. This is how we can apply Fleming's left hand rule to calculate the direction of magnetic force. So for any this question, we can use right hand palm rule. For this question, see the magnetic field is inside. So let us apply right hand palm rule. So this finger is the magnetic field, direction of magnetic field. For this question, it is inside. Very good, it is inside. This thumb gives the direction of velocity of moving positive charge. Yes, it is absolutely correct. So this face, this palm is like this. This will give the face of this palm will give the direction of force. So ऐसे भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, इसमें भी कर सकते हैं और इस क्वेश्चन में भी आप कर सकते हैं. So this is how we can apply the Fleming's left hand rule and right hand palm rule, screw rule also to calculate the direction of any kind of questions. Okay, I hope you all are getting my point. So today we have taken some examples, and by applying all the rules, you can calculate the direction of magnetic field or magnetic force. Now, in the next class, we'll take some questions related to magnetic field as well as for finding the magnetic force experienced by a moving charge. Okay, thank you very much.